In this video, we will show you how to install twin supports on your polytunnel. As well as adding strength, they are also useful for supporting crops and hanging baskets. Here are the parts you'll need. Twin supports are assembled and fit in the same way as the central ridge. Twin supports are fitted onto the hoop at each end of the central ridge. You can choose to fit them at whichever level suits you best. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel at construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.